Since my election as President of the Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines in July 2025, I've been asking myself, where is the Holy Spirit leading the Church of the Philippines? Where is the Holy Spirit leading bishops as a conference? After some time of prayer and reflection, I came to the following priorities for the next 2 years. This year until 2027, December. This is the first term. The first priority is care for shepherds or care for bishops. You know, before tending the flock, we must care for shepherds. We reaffirm our retired bishops who remain members of the Episcopal College and deserve dignity, care, and communion. We likewise commit to accompanying our newly ordained or Jubilee Year bishops through orientation and ongoing formation. So for all bishops, continuing updating is essential, particularly in addressing emerging issues such as artificial intelligence and the defense of human dignity in the light of the recent Vatican teaching. This is the first priority, to care for our bishops. Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines. The second priority is CBCP commissions at the service of the bishops. We have around 40 plus offices or commissions. Our commissions exist to assist the conference and the local bishops. They do not act independently. You know, there is a document of the church, the Directory for the Pastoral Ministry of the Bishops, issued by the Dicastery for Bishops in 2004. This reminds us that commissions support the exercise of episcopal ministry without replacing the pastoral authority of the diocesan bishop. In a truly synodal spirit, we seek clearer communication, shared direction, and closer collaboration so that our programs genuinely respond to the needs of our dioceses, particularly our people. The third priority, first is care for the bishops. The second is the functional commissions. The third is advancing the synodal journey in the Philippines. You know, immediately after I was elected, I received a letter from Cardinal Grech instructing me to make sure that the synodal decrees be implemented. Synodality or sulong padayon, bayan ng Diyos, is not just an event, but a way of being a church. Our rich tradition of CBCP pastoral letters from 1945 to the present attests to the conference role in guiding both ecclesial life and the national conscience. Today, we are called to deepen the conversation of the Spirit, particularly amid complex social and political challenges. Looking ahead, the Jubilee vision articulated in the document Spes Non Confundit invites us to renew hope as we move forward towards the 2000th anniversary of our redemption in the year 2033. The synodal process will also culminate in an ecclesial assembly in Rome in the year 2028, a moment of discernment on how synodality has taken root in the life of the church. In the Philippines, this year coincides with a significant political transition, the presidential election, calling us to pastoral vigilance and moral clarity. I wish to invite you to join us in our journey together as a synodal church, serving God's people with humility, courage, and hope. Thank you very much.